Hello guys, so today we will be learning about how to generate heat map or how to draw heat map with the help of web tool. So as you can see, these are a few examples of heat map of gene expression and or maybe different types of categories. So these are the some example of heat map and we are going to create something like this. So let's start with that. First and foremost, these are my gene list. As you can see, these are the gene IDs and the log chain, fold chains about my experiment. So I have run one experiment. I ran one experiment about nanourea as well as urea and how the plant responds with both of this treatment. So these gene IDs belongs to Arabidopsis plant. As you can see, there are almost 30 genes. So based on that, we will be generating our heat map. So let's get started with that. For that, you have to open an website called Keyplot, CHIPLOT. So simply go on Google and search CHIPLOT. Then after that, this interface will come and you will see there are multiple kind of things. For example, bioplot, then let's say network plot, pie plot. But we are currently interested of the heat map. So let's click on that. So to generate heat map, you will find that there are multiple types of heat maps, but we are particularly interested with this. So let's click on that. And another tab will open and you will find this kind of interface here. So you, with the help of your cursor, you can zoom in, zoom it out, or also you can move it here and there by double clicking on the cursor. So let's say this is not our what we are looking for. Our gene list is different. So just simply click on this select file. Just click on it and simply upload your file. So here I have prepared the file and I'm just uploading it. Here you can see the previous one already got changed by default here and my gene list of interest are here, and also you can see the nanourea versus urea treatment here. These are all the gene IDs. Also you can move this bar from here and there whatever you want. So let's say I'm keeping it here, and also you can move it to this words as well here as well. Wherever you want you can move it. Also you can zoom in or zoom it out whatever you want. So let's say I am keeping it here. Also from you can go to the x-axis, you can go to the y-axis. So x-axis this axis called x-axis and this is the y-axis. Once you are x-axis you can also play with that, like it is in the, you can see the legend are in the bottom, so you can change it to the top, and here you can see this already got transferred into the top version. Also you can change the font width, font everything, bold, let's say it's got bold. Here you can see the font also changed into bold. Also the font style also you can change. Here is Italy, you can find that this turns into Italy, and but let's keep it normal though. Same you can do for y-axis whatever you want, like left, right, whatever you want. Just simply click left, right, whatever you want. And also gene, the name of the genes you can change font style, click font style, bold, whatever you want. Also this is what we are not actually want. I have to change this name because this is the my gene expresses. So what you have to do, you have to go to the legend tab and just there is an option called text. Here you can type gene expression. That's it, and just enter it. You will see that this particular change into gene expression. But the most fascinating part I liked about the website is to change this customized color. So let's say what you do, you just click on the cell tab, and here you can see the multiple option of color. So based on your choice, you just simply have to choose what color do you want. As I from the in the starting of the video I've shown you that what kind of heat map you are looking for. So as you can see here also this color forms the same. So let's say whatever you want to keep, just keep it. I personally like it very much. Also there are another option, there are multiple options actually. Whatever you want, let's say keep on there, and you will see that the fold change will be based on that. Also just once you done, you just click on that tab, you will find that your heat map is almost ready, and there are multiple options. You can see that whatever you want to change, just change it based on your end. And so sale, here you can see custom color, you just click on it, it will generate the default color. Also you can, like here you can option here is an option called switch. So from this switch you can just turn on the value in each cell. If you remember, in the Excel file I have kept some values in comparison with nano area along with urea. So the values are already incorporated in this heat map. So that's it about the heat map. Other than that, there are multiple options. You can easily play or easily generate your own heat map based on that. So let's say now for now I have to upload, or sorry, I have to export this picture. So what I have to do is just simply bold it a little bit and make it look presentable. And after that you go to the export tab and just choose this format, let's say PNG, and click on the save. Here will interface like this will pop up. Just ignore it and just simply click on the download. So our file is downloaded now. Let's see how it's looking now. So you can see here is the file. It is also worthy enough to put on your publication, and this is how you will generate your heat map. And now this is a normal heat map. So now what we will do, we'll do another heat map type. So let's say just click on the Kiplot website again, and you will find this clustering heat map, or let's say circular heat map. Simply just click on it, and another interface like the previous one will come. And also again you have to just select the file, so click on that and just input this file here, and you will see, yes, here you will see that there is a circular heat map generated now. What you have to do, you just same like the other previous one, you have to click on this x-axis, y-axis, sail, whatever you want to play, just play with that. So let's say I am with the y-axis, so y-axis is this one, sorry, y-axis is yes, y-axis is this one. So just click on font weight, let's say make it bold. Also, as we know, gene names should be in italics. Let's say click on the italics and you will see that the gene names change to italics. Also in the y-axis you want to make it bold, so font weight should be bold. You can see that it turns into bold. Also in italic now it should be normal, so let's say keep it normal. So the color you can change, let's say in red, just click on here, you can choose your color. You can see that this is changing as I moving my cursor here and there. Let's say click on this color and you can see this color will change. Similarly in y-axis also you can do that. So let's say y-axis I am keeping this color, green color, and I am turning into this. Just click on it. See that color. I think this doesn't look fascinating. Let me change the color and to blue. So I'm keeping the blue color. Yeah, now it's look good. So similarly you can go to the cell tab. From here you can change the color as well, just the previous one. So for now, what's the color should I choose? Let's choose this color. Yeah, this looks good. And from this cell tab you can also go to the switch tab, so that you can see the values are there. And font width, I think you can also change. Yeah, now the value you can see will get automatically turned into bold. And from this also you can go to the legend. You can see that you have to change the Kiplot option to gene express. So this is the thing. Now we have to export it. So for exporting, just go on the export tab and just simply select the PNG option and just save it. And ignore this pop-up option. Just click on the download. You can see another heat map also got generated, and this is also fine for a publication, scientific publication. So this is the this is the thing, and this is the way you can generate your heat map based on any data. Also you can add on your layer data, which I'll be talking about in another video. So here is the layer. So the layer option is for, like, let's say you have two kind of experiment or two type of treatment. So this is a two type of treatment, but and many times you are giving treatment to a wild type or to a mutant type. So for that we should have some layer data. So in another video I will be talking about the layer video. For now This is the simplest process of generating heatmap with the based on the web tool called KaiPlot, and this is absolutely free to use. So go for it, guys. Thank you for watching my video.